Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is my review. I'm gonna show you my room today. I know it's a little bit messed up, but let's go, I guess. Okay, so this is my computer. This computer here is a custom built Vision PC. Okay guys, so this is my monitor, computer and keyboard and mouse. Not interesting at my computer, but I have my headphones. Here's comes the boring part. Okay, here's my bed. Wow, so interesting. This is only on my bed what's actually interesting, my gamer pillows. Here's come the messy part. Okay, so here's my process. This thing is weird. Here's my own welder. Thank you guys for watching. This is actually the last video where I show my face, but in my dog videos I'm gonna still show my face. So see ya. Subscribe to my second channel.